Now I bet you are saying, damn, cinematic mode looks good. But what if I was to tell you that this was filmed on an iPhone 10 or 9? Honestly, I lost track of the numbers. But it is true, it is currently being filmed on an older iPhone, and you also can get super awesome cinematic mode for free without buying the new phone, and basically on any smartphone. All you have to do is follow this simple trick. Now I'm just gonna do this live so you could see how easy it is. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go to the Instagram app. Oh, let's get out of that. So once you have the Instagram app open, you're gonna click the plus and then go to the story. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but if you swipe all the way over to the absolute end, you could browse this like different effects. And what you're gonna type in is blurred background. And then you could see how some of these filters will blur the background for you. Now you can try them out specifically right away. And some of them, let me find the right one. And some of them have a little scroller on the side so you can figure out how much you actually want to blur it. So with this one specifically, you could see whether you don't want any blur or a lot of blur. This is pretty cool, right? Now I was doing all of that with an older iPhone, so you can get cinematic mode without purchasing the new one. So that was a money-saving tip, and that was a quick and free way on how to get a blurry background without purchasing the new iPhone. All right, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to get more iPhone camera tips, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Peace.